Midioram.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Midioram. ഇന്ന് നമ്മളോടൊപ്പമുള്ളത് വെൽനസ് ആൻഡ് ലൈഫ് സ്റ്റൈൽ കൺസൾട്ടന്റ് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറാണ്. ഡോക്ടർ കുമാർ once again welcome back to the show. And നമുക്കൊരു കോളർ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഹലോ ഹലോ നമസ്കാരം, വെൽക്കം ടു ദ ഷോ. ആരാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
ഇത് ജസ്നയാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്, അബുദാബിന്ന്.
Okay, Jasna.
I want to know about my
Okay.
I want to know about my brother's marriage. So I will give the date of birth.
Okay, sure. She would like to know about her brother's marriage. Okay, what's your brother's date of birth?
24.
Sorry?
24.
All right.
December 1983.
Okay.
6:59
Okay.
a.m. Bahrain, Manama.
Okay. Bahrain ആണല്ലേ? Place of birth.
Brother.
Okay. Place of birth is Bahrain and time is 6:59 a.m. and date of birth is 24 September 1983.
Not September, December.
December. Sorry, just now December. Okay,
What is
December
the
1983.
name of your brother?
Prajish. Prajish.
Pratish.
Prajish. Prajish.
Okay.
His date of birth is 24/12/1983, Saturday, 6:59 a.m. Bahrain, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bahrain.
Okay, he is Simha Rashi and Magam Nakshatra.
Yes.
Okay, see, Simha Rashi, he is going through a period of Kantaka Shani now, which will finish in October 2017.
Okay.
And yes, and his 1 minute, I will tell you other things also. His birth number is 6 and life path number is 3, and the dasha which he is going through is now Chandrama dasha, moon dasha, which is started in March 2015. It will finish in March 2025. Now you see what is happening usually, I think, in this, that y'all are getting proposals but it is not happening, correct?
Yeah.
And I see that there was a proposal last year and everything was finalized, but at the last moment something went wrong and it was not happening, correct? That is it?
Yeah.
Last year, correct?
Last week also.
Sorry?
Last week also, two proposals.
Like yes. So this will keep on happening until he does remedies, because there are 2-3 planets very weak, which is not making him settle. Okay, and where is he now? In here only or Bahrain?
In Dubai.
He is in Dubai now.
Yeah.
Okay. So he needs to do some remedies. Otherwise, what will happen? Everything will go 95%, 99% also. But that 1%, last moment everything will go, the reverse way. And usually the no happens from the girl's side, correct?
Yeah, it's happening on the girl's side.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's happening, correct.
It's happening on the girl's
see,
side.
the diagnosing is perfectly corrected. Now I have diagnosed it. Now I will go for the remedies. Because see, if diagnosis is correct, the remedies or the medicines are perfect. Now I will tell you what he need to do. Okay. First of all, if it is possible, just see where it is possible, maybe in your native place, sponsors a Kanya's wedding as per your pocket. That means this remedy is for him. Okay. It's for him, but I am talking to you. So sponsor the Kanya's wedding. Kanya means any ladki ka wedding. Sponsor karo as per your pocket. Maybe not the whole wedding, but some poor Kanya's wedding.
കഴിയുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നിർദ്ധയായ പെൺകുട്ടിയുടെ വിവാഹം നടത്തി കൊടുക്കണം.
Maybe you can take the expense of soft drinks or food or only hall, whatever it is, maybe not full wedding, but at least sponsor Kanya's wedding. First is that. Okay. Second thing, he need to wear a nice yellow sapphire in the right hand index finger.
Right hand index finger.
Yes.
Okay.
And he has to wear a ruby in the left hand ring finger.
Sorry?
Ruby, manikam in the left hand ring finger, and after marriage that ruby should go in the right hand.
Okay.
Because he will attract the engagement ring. So subsequently he will shift the ruby in the right hand ring finger. Okay. Okay. Then
Okay.
yes. Then he has to wear a Navrata pendant also with
Okay.
number 6. 6 is Shukram number, so that will be luxuries for him. He will attract luxuries also in life.
Okay.
And Saturday and Tuesday he has to be a vegetarian food.
Saturday and Tuesday.
Yes.
Okay.
And whenever there is proposals, coming, whenever he is going out of the house or inside to see the girl, he should put his right foot in front and always wear new clothes.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
and plus, as he is going out of the house, he should wear take 1 drop of honey on the tongue.
Okay.
1 drop of honey on the
Okay.
tongue, right foot in the front, and plus subsequently he should wear new clothes also or fresh clothes.
Okay. Okay. I want to know when is the best time of marriage for
See
him?
now I can tell you that yes,
when
I will,
will
I
it
will, I will
happen?
tell you. Yes, I will tell you, because first of all he is going through this period of Kantaka Shani.
Yeah.
I can say the first, you can say early next year is the best period. Early next year, either end of this year or early next year is the best period for him to get married. I think if he does all these remedies sincerely,
Okay.
yeah, he will attract, you can say, you can say positive proposals for him, which can
Okay.
materialize. Yes. And if you want to
Okay.
know something in detail, you can you can accompany him and let him come to me for further, in-depth details. We can also do that,
Okay.
and maybe any prayer, anything is necessary, that also we can guide you. You can do in your
Okay,
native
okay.
place. And
Okay.
if you want
Can
any
I ask my
gemstones also,
husband-
subsequently
Okay.
original gemstones certified, that also we will be able to
Okay.
arrange it for you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
Thank you. Okay. Can I ask my husband's horoscope also?
For your husband, you have to recall back again, because lot of people are
Oh.
waiting. Correct.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for calling, Jasna. നമുക്ക് മറ്റൊരു കോളർ ഉണ്ട്. ഹലോ ഹലോ ഹലോ
ഹലോ
ഹലോ നമസ്കാരം, വെൽക്കം ടു ദ ഷോ. ആരാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
ഞാൻ എന്റെ പേര് പ്രീതി ഫുജാറയിൽ നിന്നാണ്.
സോറി,
എന്റെ പേര് പ്രീതി ഫുജേറയിൽ നിന്നാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, പ്രീതി ഫ്രം ഫുജേറ.
ആ, ഇത്
Okay.
എന്റെ മോൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ.
ആ, അവളുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 21
ഓക്കെ
11
ഓക്കെ
1996.
1996
Yeah.
21/11, right?
21/11 1996.
Okay, and place of birth?
ഷാർജ.
Sharjah. Okay.
Time 3 a.m.
3 a.m. Okay.
Yeah.
Sharjah is the place of birth and time is 3 a.m.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത് പ്രീതി?
അവളുടെ കരിയർ, പ്രസന്റ് ടൈം, ഫുൾ ഓൾ റൗണ്ട് അവളുടെ അറിയാനുണ്ട്.
Okay, she'd like to know about her studies and her future.
Okay.
Everything about her future. Please wait, Preeti.
Yeah.
Okay. We're just calculating, because we have changed
Yeah,
the
okay.
place, so when we change the place, naturally it takes little time to calculate. And I think she is Uttaratadi Nakshatra, main Rashi Uttaratadi
Yeah, yeah.
Nakshatra, correct?
Yeah, you are right. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now she doesn't have any Elder Shani or Kantaka Shani now. Only
Okay.
she got Chava Dosham.
Okay. She got
Yes.
ചൊവ്വാദോഷം.
Yeah, she has Chava Dosham. And she is
Okay.
birth number 3 and life path number is also 3. So she is ruled by Guru, Vyadam.
Okay.
And the Dasha which is going on now is Budam Dasha. Up till
Okay.
2019 it is very good, Budam Dasha.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and presently what she is in which grade?
What? Pardon?
She is in which grade? She's studying now?
She's doing, she's doing BTech second year now.
Okay, fine.
Engineering. She's doing engineering.
Okay, fine. Very good. See, up till the age of 22, that is up till 2019, approximately June, it is okay. After that,
Okay.
the Dasha Ketu starts. So, up till that time, it is okay. Only thing is, in
Okay.
Ketu Dasha, she may, if she is continuing studying, she may get a little small break in the studies.
Oh, after this BTech or in the middle of BTech?
Yeah, no, see, it is at the age of, after the age of 22. By 22, she'll complete at the age of 2019.
Yeah, okay.
So if she completes before that, it is good. But if she is doing any other course after 2022, that is June
Yeah.
2022, then she has to be a little careful because Ketu Dasha starts and there is a possibility to be get break in the studies, and or even if she's complete studies, the career will be little more struggling for beginning 4 to 5 years.
Okay.
From the 2022 to approximately 2025, 2026. Okay, this is there.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, everything is okay, and she will be more career oriented. As I told you that Kuja dosham or Chava dosham is there, so
Okay.
she will be more career oriented, and approximately marriage age will be 26, 27.
Okay.
Okay.
27.
And now I will tell you, as her Budam Dasha is there, to make it more strong also, she can, her birth lucky stone is emerald, that is Margadam in the right hand little finger.
Okay.
And she can go for a Navrata pennant number 3. She is birth number 3, life path number 3, so she can go for number 3. Green is her lucky number.
Okay, 3 is the lucky number.
Green
Okay.
is a lucky, green is the lucky color, and number is 3.
Green. Okay.
number
Green
is
is the
3.
lucky color.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the flavor, you can say she can go always for the jasmine flavor.
Which flavor?
Jasmine flavor.
Jasmine. Okay. Okay.
Okay, jasmine flavor. If she can keep a fast on Monday, it is very good for her.
Okay. Fasting.
Okay, Monday
Okay,
fasting,
Monday.
lunch or dinner, no problem. Not full day fasting. Either
Okay.
she can have lunch or dinner. In
Okay.
daytime, fruit juices, tea, coffee, other things are allowed. Mitha lassi, sweet
Oh.
lassi is allowed. All these things are allowed.
Okay.
She should avoid full black color clothes.
Black color clothes.
Full
okay.
black, yeah. Half black is okay.
Okay.
50% black is
Okay.
okay. But full black is not
Okay.
advisable.
Okay.
And daily possible, as she is connected to the green color, she should water the plants daily.
Water the plant daily.
Yeah, either at home or outside also. She can water the outside. Trees are there. A lot of trees are there around your
Yeah,
house.
yeah. Okay,
She can
okay,
just
okay.
give water to the trees. It is good.
Okay.
Yeah, these things if you do
It is daily. Daily she have to do. Okay.
daily, yes, daily. Either water the
Okay.
plants which you have at home. If you don't have, then there are a lot of trees
Okay.
around you. You can just
Okay.
give water to the trees there also. It is a very good deed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you so much, Pradeep,
thank
for
you, sir.
calling. Yeah. Moving on to another call. More
Yes.
callers are waiting in our show.
Yes.
actually. Hello. Hello. Namaskaram.
Hello.
Welcome to the show. ആരാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
Roshna.
Roshna. Okay, Roshna from Abu Dhabi. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Roshna
I can
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
hear you.
എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്? ആരെക്കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
എന്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡിനെ പറ്റിയാണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്.
Okay. She wants to know about her
ഞാൻ ആൾക്ക്
husband.
കൊടുക്കാം. ആള് സംസാരിക്കും.
Okay.
ഹലോ
Hello. നമസ്കാരം. Welcome to the show.
ആ
പേര് പറയൂ.
എന്റെ പേര് ഷമീർ.
Sorry? ഷമീർ. ഓക്കെ, ഷമീർ പറയൂ. ആദ്യം ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് ആണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് എന്താണ്?
11 ജൂൺ 82.
11 ആണോ പറഞ്ഞത്?
11
ഓക്കെ, 11 ജൂൺ
82.
82. ഓക്കെ, പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
ഇതിന്റെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിയില്ല. ജന്മസ്ഥലം
ഓക്കെ, കേരള. ഓക്കെ, ടൈം ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ?
ടൈം അറൌണ്ട് 6:30 7ന്റെ ഇടയിലാണ് വൈകുന്നേരം.
Okay, 6:30 or 7:30 in the evening.
6:30 or
He's
7:30.
not sure about the time, but he assumes that it's around 6:30 or so in the
Okay.
evening. Okay, എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത് ഷമീം?
ജനറലായിട്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിയണം. പിന്നെ പുതിയ എന്തെങ്കിലും ബിസിനസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന്
എന്താണ്
സക്സസ് ആവോ, പുതിയ ബിസിനസ്സിലേക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഇറങ്ങാൻ പറ്റിയ സമയമാണോ?
Okay, he's planning to set up a new business. He wants to know whether he can move forward with the idea or not.
Okay.
ഷെയർ ട്രേഡിംഗ്,
Okay.
ഓൺലൈൻ ട്രേഡിംഗ്.
Okay, Shamir.
Okay. You are Trivunam Nakshatra, Makaram Rashi. Let me check the other details if they are favorable. Okay, you see, you will be entering the Edra Shani period, which is a big Shani which we call 7.5 years, which will you be entering in January 2017. Okay, so it will be up till March 2025. So this will be little more difficult period for you. And you are birth number, I will tell you other dasha also, then we can always decide. Your birth number 2 and life path number is 1, and the dasha which you are going through is Guru Vyadam dasha. So see, subsequently this year will be okay for you to start any business. Okay, but next year it will be very difficult. Do not take any risk in business. Partnership is actually, if you avoid partnership, it is good.
Okay.
Yeah, but if it is if you are going for a partnership due to some reasons, then the control should be in your hand only. Okay. Yeah, the control should be in your hand only. Then the partnership will be be okay. Otherwise, if you leave it, then people will take unnecessary advantage for you. For this you need to wear also one nice stone, which is Pushparagam, a yellow sapphire in the right and index finger.
Okay, yellow sapphire. Okay.
Yeah, right and index finger. And for your protection and confidence, you should wear a coral in the right hand ring finger, triangle shape.
Okay.
Yeah, these things you need to do. You need to be a vegetarian on Thursday and Tuesday.
Okay.
Yes, Thursday. Always do danam of black color items like black blanket, black shoes or black umbrella to the school going children, Kanya. To Kanyas, yeah. Kanya means below the age of 10.
Okay.
So black color items, that is black blanket or black color shoes, black school bag, anything.
Okay.
Okay.
I just want to know that my daughter is just going 2 years now.
Sorry, I can't.
Sorry, Shamir, കുറച്ചുകൂടെ വ്യക്തമായിട്ട് പറയൂ.
എനിക്ക് ഒരു മകളുണ്ട്, അവളിപ്പോ 2 വയസ്സാകുന്നു. അപ്പോ അവളുടെ കാര്യങ്ങളെ കുറിച്ചും
സോറി ഷമീർ, ക്ഷമിക്കണം, നമുക്ക് കൂടുതൽ കോളേഴ്സ് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തീർച്ചയായും നിങ്ങളുടെ മകളുടെ കാര്യം പറയേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടെ വിളിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും പറയുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ.
ഓക്കെ, ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചാല് അവിടെ മൂലം എന്തെങ്കിലും ബെനിഫിറ്റ് നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നു.
അതെ, ലൈനും വ്യക്തമാവുന്നില്ല ഷമീർ, ക്ഷമിക്കണം. എന്തായാലും കൂട്ടുകച്ചവടത്തിൽ നിന്നും സൂക്ഷിക്കണം എന്നാണ് അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞത്. ഷമീർ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. നമുക്ക് കൂടുതൽ കോളുകളിലേക്ക് പോകേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. വളരെയധികം നന്ദി വിളിച്ചതിനായിട്ട്. മറ്റൊരു കോളർ വെയിറ്റിംഗിലുണ്ട്. ഹലോ ഹലോ ഹലോ
ഹലോ
ഹലോ നമസ്കാരം, വെൽക്കം ടു ദ ഷോ. ആരാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
ഇത് ജസ്നയാണ്, അബുദാബിന്ന്. നേരത്തെ വിളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ ജസ്ന,
ഹസ്ബൻഡിനോട് ചോദിക്കാൻ.
Okay, she has called again.
Again for her husband.
Yeah, that's called Jasna.
And you are the, I think so you will be the last lucky caller, I think so.
Yes, time is running out.
Yeah, time is, so you are the last
You're
lucky
so
caller.
lucky to get the call back.
Very lucky. Come on, tell us fast,
My husband's date of birth is 14th July.
14th
July. Okay.
Yeah, 1977.
Okay, 1977, 14th July.
Yeah.
Okay. And was it on Thursday?
11:20 p.m.
11:20 p.m. Okay.
Yeah.
And the place of birth?
Telsheri.
Okay, in Kerala.
Kerala.
All right. Okay, hope you got the details.
Yes.
എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത് ജസ്ന?
ഹസ്ബൻഡിന്റെ ജോലിയും പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് സ്ഥലം വീടെടുക്കാനുള്ള സമയം എപ്പാണ്?
Okay, again she wants to know
Jolina
about her
Pettit.
husband's
Job.
and whether they can build the home soon.
Okay, fine. See, Mithunam Rashi and Trivvatira Nakshatra, correct?
Yeah, Tiruvadira.
Yes. See, he doesn't have presently any Elder Shani, Kantaka Shani now.
Okay.
And again, this is, what's your name you said? Jasna, no?
Just now.
And your religion was?
Jasna. My name is Jasna. My husband's name is Bipin. Bipin. Bipin.
Okay, Bipin, he says
Vipin,
husband's
so
name.
Hindu, no?
Yeah.
Okay, see, your husband have Sarpa Dosham.
Okay.
Yes, so you have to do the necessary prayers in native place.
Okay.
Okay, for this they will be able to guide you in the native place how to do it. So you have to do this necessary prayers in native place. Have you done it?
Okay.
Have
Hello?
you done it?
Yeah, we usually do. We go to the temple and
Okay.
do.
Okay,
We
so
give-
if you have done it, it is okay. If you have not done it, this has to be done once in lifetime. And
Okay.
your birth number 5, life path number is 9.
Okay.
Sorry. And the dasha which you are going is Shani Dasha. From yes,
Shani Dasha.
in the Jatakam, Shani Dasha is going on from May 2006 to May 2025 for 19 years.
Okay.
Okay, so what I will tell you, it is little difficult for you to build a house this time, but next year will be a favorable period for you.
Next year.
Yeah, next year will be a favorable period for you. You have to do some
For
remedies.
buying land, next year is for buying land.
Yeah,
We didn't
next
buy
year.
any land.
Yeah, next year is good for land luck. Next year is basically good for land luck to buy any property, but not this year,
Okay.
because this year you will be misguided, or you may go into the wrong property, wrong guidance, or you may be misguided.
Oh.
You will not
Okay.
get the right property. Means you will not get the right guidance to buy the right property.
Okay.
After few years, you will come
Okay.
to know this property is not worthwhile, or you made a wrong decision. So next year is a good period for it.
Okay.
And subsequently,
when
I
is
will
the
advise
timing
him
next period? Which month? Which month?
from February
which month?
onwards, February 2017.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay,
he need to wear a
okay.
nice yellow sapphire in the right hand index
Okay.
finger, and in the ring finger he needs to wear a coral.
Okay.
Coral, yeah, triangle shaped coral in the right hand ring finger. That will bring him land luck.
Okay.
Okay, that is land luck,
And
earth
about
luck.
his
What you
job,
call?
job, can he change the job now, or should he?
Job,
it's okay
he
with this
can
job?
change maybe at the end of this year, October, November, December. There he can do it, because this yellow sapphire will give him good guidance to get an opportunity at the same time, and subsequently the
Okay.
coral will give him a land luck for the next year.
Okay.
Okay, and he should wear
Okay,
a
okay.
Navratna pendant number 5.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay,
keep
okay.
a small piece of square silver in your purse always.
Sorry.
Keep a small piece of square silver in your purse always, in his purse always.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
suppose you want to come, I can do also free Vastu for you. If you would like to come to Dubai, in Karama, Dubai, I can guide you also for
Okay.
Vastu, because it
Okay.
happens that way, that see, when you go to a positive place, you get positive vibration, positive energy, but subsequently
Okay.
when you go to a negative place, you get negative energy, negative vibration, negative thoughts. So if you stay in a
Okay.
harmonious house, you will get lot of positive thoughts, positive vibrations, decision
Okay.
power will be very good, and I will tell him
Okay.
other remedies also at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah,
And can you tell
accepted.
me, it's a good time for job, for not job changing, for job is a good time or a bad time?
No, don't
It's
change
recession
now.
going on, so
Don't change the job now. At the end of
Okay.
October, November, December is very good.
Okay. Okay.
ഓക്കെ
Yeah.
ജസ്ന ക്ഷമിക്കണം, നമ്മുടെ സമയപരിധി ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുകയാണ്.
It's okay. It's okay. It's
Okay,
okay.
thank you so much for calling twice.
Thank you.
Jasna.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, thank you, thank you. Stay blessed. എന്തായാലും നമ്മുടെ സമയം ഇന്ന് ഇവിടെ തീരുകയാണ്. വീണ്ടും കൂടുതൽ വിശേഷങ്ങളും കൂടുതൽ കോളറുകളുമായി അടുത്ത ആഴ്ച ഇതേ സമയം നമ്മൾ വീണ്ടും തിരികെ എത്തും. അതുവരേക്കും നമസ്കാരം.
Nanni, namaskaram.